Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Pepper app is and how it's positioned. Pepper is described on its official app listings as a social recipe organizer designed to help users create, save, and share recipes in a community-driven environment. According to official descriptions, the app allows users to import recipes from sources like Instagram, TikTok, blogs, and notes into a personal digital cookbook. It is also stated that users can organize recipes into collections and search by ingredients, dietary preferences, and categories. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app is positioned in the recipe management and social cooking category, combining traditional organization tools with a community-based sharing system. Official descriptions indicate that users can build and share cookbooks, collaborate with friends, and discover recipes from a large network of home cooks. It is also described as offering interactive recipe content, including videos and step-by-step formats to guide cooking. The platform includes features like grocery integration, allowing users to order ingredients directly from recipes through supported services. Some official materials mention gamified elements like digital boards and community engagement features, which may enhance the experience, although this may vary and is not always central to core functionality. This app may be useful for users who want to organize recipes while also engaging with a social cooking community. For users interested in discovering and sharing food content with others, this could be an option. Some aspects such as how consistently social features are used or how well imports work across all sources are not fully detailed, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Overall, based on official sources, the app is positioned as a hybrid between a recipe organizer and a social cooking platform rather than a traditional offline cookbook tool. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.